With only 2 weeks left of our time in Malaysia, we decided it was time for one last road trip. So we packed up the car and headed up the east coast. 5 hours later, we arrived at the wonderful little surf paradise of Cherating. Cherating is well known for its surfing, awesome beaches, and really cool vibe. Right, okay guys, so we have checked into our little bungalow here. We're right next to the beach. The beach is literally like 20 steps that way, which is awesome for tomorrow morning. Hopefully catch some early waves. Hopefully the waves pick up a little bit because they haven't been great today, apparently. Tomorrow we're going to a surf competition. There's also a little bit of a festival on there. We've just ordered some foods to get brought to the balcony because we're too lazy to go anywhere, and I have just had a 5.5 hour drive. So we are going to chill here. We've got our rescue here. We're going to have a couple of beers, have some food, and maybe take a little stroll down to see the sunset in a little bit. Right, okay, so we did have an early night last night. We had a couple of beers on the balcony, but we didn't really have a late night. I think the long drive sort of took it out of us a little bit. But we are going down to the surf competition now in Kuantan, which is about 35 minutes away. Check out the surf competition, see some of the live music. And basically, then we're coming back up to Cherating and we're gonna have a little bit of party tonight. So we're just back from the surf competition and we decided to go for a little walk along the beach because this is our last trip really in Malaysia. Again, there is going to be another video on that in the next few weeks, telling you all about what's happening with us leaving Malaysia. But for now we're just going to have a nice stroll down the beach, and tonight we're coming to this bar right here for a couple of beers.
There will be a time when you and me finally can talk. If you speak now, your words will only tear us apart. I pray you'll find a way to mend your broken heart. Yeah, you can show me a new place to start. And you decide if you wanna play pretend. And you decide if you
last night was interesting. I didn't take any cameras out with me, but I used my phone to take some videos, so we're just gonna roll some of the awful phone footage just to sort of give you an idea of what last night was like.
Yeah, wanna show you a new place to start, but you decide if you wanna play pretend. And you decide if you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again.
I've definitely felt better than I feel today. But anyway, we are gonna head home now, back to Johor. A 5-hour drive back home again. Doesn't sound great, but I'm sure we'll live. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell, and I'm going home.